Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the exact input format so the parser expects the right tokens. Once done, open your parser tool or validator and load the smallest failing sample you have. Make sure to keep the sample minimal. This isolates the problem quickly. Then run a single pass to capture the first error message, write down the line number, and token it flags. You will use that information immediately to guide targeted fixes rather than guessing. Once you have the error line, compare that snippet to a known good example and look for subtle issues. Missing quotes, stray commas, wrong delimiters, or encoding mismatches. Run a quick encoding check, make sure the file is UTF-8, and toggle strict mode off to see if the parser recovers. If it does, you know the input violates strict rules. Then change the parser's delimiter, escape rules, or schema constraints and rerun until the same line no longer errors. After fixing the root cause in the minimal sample, run the full dataset to confirm the issue is resolved. Make sure logs show 0 errors and spot check outputs. If errors persist, bisect the file, split it in halves and test each half to find the bad chunk fast. As a final step, sanitize inputs automatically and add defensive parsing rules so small deviations won't break you again. If anything goes wrong, revert to the minimal failing sample and repeat the bisect process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.